Okay, hello, welcome back. You just saw me make my bed, hard work. Today, we're gonna clean up my shit in my house and go through my closet and get rid of things that don't bring me joy anymore. It felt like I just did one of these, but I actually looked back and the video was from like seriously months and months ago. And it's about due time to do another one of these like closet clean outs. I've really been more so than ever. I feel like I always say this because I'm not an organized person by nature. I know that I like to have things clean, and I know I feel so much lighter when I don't have so much stuff. So that's my goal today, because I wanted to film other videos and I just have been feeling so weighed down by my apartment and it being disorganized and having too many clothes, and it just is getting to a point that I literally have to do this right now, or else I'll probably never be able to film in here again. And I have to do everything in my house, but I felt like starting with my closet was the best way. There's just a lot of stuff crammed in here. These closet doors, I love them. They're really fun. Beautiful, colorful. Feeling happy with a lot of the things, but also realizing that there are definitely some things I can clean out. And I also have a whole nother closet over there still waiting to go up on Depop. I think I'm gonna take everything out but leave it on the hangers, because when you take everything off the hangers, it seriously like takes you hours and hours. So at least like the stuff you know you want to keep, you can just hang it right back up. Minutes in, I have everything. Well, I'm working on organizing everything by type of the style, so like my denim, my tops, my enormous amount of jackets, dresses, t-shirts. I'm literally just realizing how much stuff I have and like how much I somehow amass like over time of thrifting, and like it's actually really scary. And I feel overwhelmed already. I always get overwhelmed, but I know I will feel a lot better after I do this. So I'm gonna go through each pile one by one, figure out what I still like, and then make a pile to donate or sell on Depop. So that's what I'm gonna start doing now that it's all kind of separated. And then I'm gonna actually put it back into my closet and organize it in a healthy way that's like gonna hopefully keep me organized. We'll see. Not going off to a good start. Denim is like my hardest thing to get rid of because I truly wear it the most. This is when I start getting stressed. I went through my jeans. I'd pretty much already pulled out like most of the ones I was planning on getting rid of and put them in a different closet. So basically just reorganizing is important. Color coded them, put the ones I wear the most at the top. Shorts over there. Down there I have like t-shirts and sweaters. So I have a lot of jackets right now, but I actually truly Feel really happy about all of them. Just don't want to part with them. They are great colors. I've been getting a lot of wear out of like each and every one, so it seems silly to get rid of them. If I continue to get more, I'll definitely have to do like a one in, one out system and be more harsh with it. As I'm trying to be more organized as well, so I took out all of our winter jackets. I'm gonna get a bin for them and then put them in our like storage bathroom that we have. So then these are like accessible, but again, it's like so hot every day that I probably will not be wearing a ton of jackets. Why am I so attached to my clothing items? Maybe this is a good thing. Maybe this means that I am feeling right about my clothing, but I want to get rid of things, but I also genuinely am very happy with my closet right now. I think I'm now realizing, even though I was feeling overwhelmed. So I think just like even doing a good old-fashioned reorganize is actually really nice. Random back closet we have actually comes in handy. These are all the closet doors. This whole closet is basically filled to the brim with things that I need to put up on Depop, which will be coming soon. It won't take me as long as last time. Some of them are also a little more wintry, so I don't know if I'll put them up right now because I don't know if anyone's buying winter clothes, but maybe I will. And then I also have a pile of alterations that I've been meaning to do. So I have a skirt in here, a dress I want to hem shorter, and then these pair of shorts that I want to hem shorter with this matching top so I can finally wear it because it's really cute. And then I'll show you my closet. As you can see, much more organized. I put all of my skirts, pants, kind of put everything into type, and then my dresses go in the middle because that's where the space is to let them hang. And then organized all of my denim, t-shirts, sweaters at the bottom, and then we just have laundry and all my socks and underwear go down there. To take those 3 bins and store all of my winter clothing, extra sweaters, things like that up there. And then I'm still working on it. I need to go get a like giant bin to put all of our winter coats in to just get them out of the way. But other than that, it went pretty swell today. Not as hard. I think keeping everything on hangers is good. Doing it every 6 months makes it a lot easier because last time I did it, I had a huge amount of clothing I got rid of. And this time around, there's definitely less just because I think I got rid of so much then that was like really old and needed to go or be sold or whatever. And this time it definitely wasn't as bad, but it feels so good to have your closet organized, and especially like with seasons changing, hanging up like your most wearable items in the front and just like checking out what you have, figuring out how you can style everything, I think is really good. Yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this like just chill video of me cleaning up my stuff, and I will see you in the next one.
Congo girl.